How to enable two-step verification on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then select Manage your Google account. Here, you can see different options, so just drag it and swipe it to the left and tap on Security. As you tap on Security, scroll down and here you can see the option of two-step verification over here. So tap on two-step verification. As you tap on that, it will land you to a new page where you'll be able to enter or verify yourself over here. So just verify yourself by entering a passkey. After that, you can just start verifying and using authenticator app, and you can just secure your Google account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.